This is how to overclock your monitor refresh rate for free. Right-click anywhere on your desktop screen. Select NVIDIA Control Panel from the menu. Once it opens, look for the Change Resolution section on the left side. Click on Customize in that section. Now select Enable Resolutions not exposed by the display. Click Create Custom Resolution to open the settings. You'll see a bunch of technical numbers here, but don't touch any of them. The only thing you want to change is the refresh rate field. Start by increasing your current refresh rate by 5 Hz. So if you're at 60 Hz, bump it up to 65 Hz. Click Test to see if your monitor can handle the new setting. Your screen will go black for a few seconds. If the overclock works, you'll see a dialog asking if you want to save the resolution. Click Yes to confirm the new setting. Your screen will flash black again briefly as it applies the change. If you want to push it further, go back to the Edit menu. This time, increase the refresh rate by just 1 Hz. Keep testing in small increments until you find your monitor's limit. You'll know you've gone too far when your screen stays black and doesn't come back. When that happens, just press No on your keyboard. This will revert it back to your previous working setting. Then go back down to the last refresh rate that worked properly. That's it. Your monitor is now running at a higher refresh rate for smoother visuals.